It's important to keep your camera clean after use, especially because dust, water, and other foreign matters inside the camera may cause damage. The camera lens, mirror, and the viewfinder are glass elements and can be easily damaged. So we need to make sure our camera is well cleaned after use. In this video, we're going to show you how to clean your camera properly. First, remove the lens from the camera body. Then use a blower to remove the dust and lint. You can use a brush to wipe off the dust which hasn't removed from the blower. I'm going to use a cotton bud to clean the camera mirror. The camera mirror is a glass element and can be easily damaged. So you need to make sure you wipe it gently and do not apply pressure on it. Apply a small amount of lens cleaner to a soft cloth and remove the fingerprints and other stains on the lens, viewfinder, and the monitor. Then again use a dry cloth to wipe and clean these areas. It's better to store your camera in a dry box after cleaning. Our video link on how to use a dry box is down in the description. This method will be useful to you to protect your camera. Thanks for watching. Bye.